Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. The burning sun is starting to evaporate all the puddles left over from the recent rain, and the air feels as thick as butter. Tomorrow is going to be a classic hot summer's day, with storm clouds gathering in the late afternoon ahead of some showers on Sunday, Monday. Nighttime temperatures have been consistently warmer than average all week, but until now, days have stayed relatively cool. Not today though, with Rockhampton reaching 33 degrees. Let's look at the satellite loop now. You can see it's a lot clearer today compared to a couple of days ago when we had that massive rain cloud covering the state. It's not completely cloud-free. There have been little bubbles of shower-bearing clouds popping up randomly. No doubt you saw some of them with the flat bottoms and the big billowing tops, but they haven't amounted to much in the way of rainfall. And of course, we've got a very stable upper atmosphere at the moment with the upper level trough now well offshore and having weakened. Now on today's chart, very open pressure pattern. Remember, it's the isobar spacing that determines wind strength. So when you have so few lines on the chart, the winds are very light and the coastal waters have been very pleasant. There is a trough now straddling around the western Queensland border. On tomorrow's chart, that trough marches a bit further east and starts stretching into the Darling Downs. On its eastern side, we may see some thunderstorms developing in the afternoon. It will be a very hot day with a light northerly breeze ahead of that trough. Then on the outlook chart, a high moves across southern Australia, pops into the Tasman Sea and extends a new ridge of fresh southeasterly winds into Queensland, cooling things down a touch, but it will stay humid in the tropics. And now the latest from the Weather Bureau. The boating forecast for Capricornia waters. South to southeast winds 10 to 15 knots and then shifting southeast to northeast in the afternoon. On Sunday, those winds will increase to 25 knots at times, then settling back to an average of 15 to 20 from the east-southeast on Monday. This weekend will be the first of the summer king tides. Tomorrow morning's high tide will be huge, and so will Sunday's, so please take extra caution when judging currents. Capricornia district forecast, showers mainly in the southwest tomorrow. There could be thunderstorms. Gladstone 31 degrees, 33 for Rockhampton again, Billowila 34 and Yeppoon 29. Central Highlands and Coalfields, a major flood warning continues for the Dawson River. Late thunderstorms in the southeast only, they could be severe. 35 degrees for Emerald, 34 at Claremont and 35 again for Moranbah. Looking ahead for Rockhampton, more rain next week, mostly in the form of passing showers rather than menacing thunderstorms, and also slightly cooler, but nights remaining very warm and muggy. Enjoy the weekend in the bliss of all the rain we've had, but remember we have a La Niña summer on our hands. The wet season's only just started and the soil has no more room to hold water, so prepare for challenges ahead. Now it's back to the team.
Yeah, thank you very much, Steve. Good on you, mate. Thanks for your company. Have a great weekend.
And that's it for me from now. I'm taking a few weeks break, so have a wonderful Christmas. Stay safe and I'll see you again in the new year. From all of us here, good night.
Good night.